Good morning friends, welcome to my channel. So today on the special demand of you all guys, I am going to discuss most important topics in the mathematics for the ATC. So before this, if you are having any kind of query regarding ATC job profile, in-hand salary, medical standards, voice test or bond agreement for the air traffic controllers, or you are having query regarding junior executive airport operations, so I have already uploaded videos for that, so you can refer those videos on my YouTube channel. My today's video is dedicated to all South Indian students who are preparing for ATC, and they asked me in comments many times, sir, please upload your videos in English so that we are also able to understand. So as we know, physics and mathematics both are very important for the securing your selection in ATC examination. For physics, I have already uploaded the videos for the important topics. If you want to know about those topics, please visit my channel and watch that video. And here also I am giving the links for syllabus and the hand notes for the mathematics. If you want to download, you can download. The link is given in the description of this video. So as far as mathematics syllabus is concerned, I have downloaded the PDF from Airport Authority website. In that PDF it is clearly written that 60 questions from basics of physics and mathematics in concept and application level. But here we are not able to predict whether what is the concept and application level, whether they want to say that NCERT questions or they want to refer for the engineering mathematics. But from our previous experiences as well as by seeing the previous year's question papers, we are able to find that 80% questions are from engineering maths and 20% are from 11th-12th syllabus. So by seeing this, you are able to understand that engineering mathematics is very much important in the mathematics syllabus. You can also refer NCERT for covering the 20% of the syllabus. So here I am discussing only engineering mathematics syllabus as well as the important topics. So syllabus for the engineering mathematics are these all topics which are written in the different color fonts: numerical analysis, ordinary differential equations, calculus, linear algebra, real analysis, complex analysis, numerical analysis or numerical methods, functions, partial differential equations. That's all. So you have to give time to the all topics, but now I am going to discuss which topic is more important and to which topic you have to give more time and you are able to get high score. So the first very important topic is differential equations. From this topic, 6 to 8 questions are continuously coming from the last previous year's examinations, so you should be very much good as well as very much clear in this topic. The second topic is improper integration. In this topic, 6 questions are continuously coming. I am giving the approximations by saying the previous year questions, so 6 questions are coming from this topic. So this topic is also very important for securing your selection by the mathematics. Now the third topic, if we want to see, is matrix. Matrix is also a good and important topic and a scoring topic also. So you can score 6 questions at least, because they will ask 6 questions approximately from the trend of the previous year questions. My South Indian friends, now I am going to discuss in Hindi the free hit, so please forgive me. अभी तक जो मैंने आपको इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स बताए हैं उनमें से 20 सवाल आपके आने वाले हैं, तो प्लीज़ ऐसा मत सोचिए कि मुझे डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस नहीं आता, वो बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है तो मेहनत कीजिए, क्योंकि वो एक टॉपिक है, उसमें से 6-7 सवाल आपके सही होने वाले हैं, तो उसको अच्छे से करके रखिए, एक भी सवाल गलत नहीं होना चाहिए। उसके एग्जाम्पल्स लगाइए, नेट पे कुछ मिल जाता है उसको देखिए, तो डेफिनेटली आप उसमें स्कोर कर सकते हैं। हो सकता है कि आपका वो अच्छा नहीं हो, तो कई बार इरिटेशन होती है, पढ़ने के अंदर मज़ा नहीं आता है, उस चीज़ से दूर भागते हैं, तो उस पर पूरा ध्यान दीजिए। बहुत ही एक आसान चीज़ है, इतना मुश्किल नहीं है, लेकिन अपने आप को संभालने की आवश्यकता है। और आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा इसके बारे में आप ज़रूर कमेंट में लिखिए, और आगे आपको कौन सी हेल्प चाहिए उसके लिए भी ज़रूर आप बताइएगा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ रहे। नमस्कार।